Hello students. So this is a question from electromagnetics and it is from NET December 2024. In particular, this is from electrostatics. And in this, an electric field profile is given. Okay. So this is electric field profile that is given. And they have asked for charge density. So it is so obvious that if E is known and you want to calculate rho, you should just write the first Maxwell's equation given by del dot E is equal to rho by epsilon naught. So what will be rho which is required? It will be epsilon naught times del dot E. Okay. Now profile of E is already given. So let us write here in a spherical polar coordinate, it will be del dot E 1 by r square del by del r and r square into this q e to the power minus br over 4 pi epsilon naught, and I will take this r vector as r square because this can be written as r cap by r square. Okay, so this will be r square. So this we have to manage, and you can see this epsilon naught will cancel and this r square will also cancel, and we will get it as rho is equal to 1 by r square. Differentiate this, it will become 1 by r square and 4 pi will come, and when you differentiate this you will get e to the power minus br and then minus b. Okay, this is what we get. So rho will be, if I take q was here, just write q here, q over 4 pi e to the power minus br common. So what I am getting is minus b by r square, correct? So this is correct if r is not 0. Okay, so in this case I am also taking care of what will happen when r is equal to 0. What will be its divergence when r is equal to 0? So you know this, that divergence of 1 by r square, this becomes 4 by del cube r, or sometimes we just write it as 4 pi Dirac delta r. Both are same things. Dirac delta function in 3 dimensions in a spherical polar coordinate. So just for that case, add this quantity here when r becomes 0. This will take care. Just write 4 pi del r here. Okay. So you can see this option 4 is correct. So they have given this to just check your electrostatics, which is the first Maxwell's equation, which is Gauss law. And second thing is the vector calculus little bit which we do, that divergence of 1 by r square will be given by 4 pi del r. And also I have taught you in class Dirac delta function in spherical polar coordinate. So there we have dealt with all this. So this was your question. Okay, thank you so much.